Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I am a close to my heart independent consultant, and today I'm sharing with you July's stamp of the month. It's called For My Beautiful Friend. So it's got a few different things on there. So a butterfly, this lovely lady holding a big bunch of flowers, and yeah, lots of different little things and some sentiment and stuff. Now I'm going to make a scrapbook page. These can be used for cards as well, but today I'm going to do a scrapbook page. The pattern I'm using is out of the Make It From Your Heart volume 3. Alright, so I have already pre-cut all my pieces. Alright, so let's get going. Paper that I'm using is from Summer Vibes. One page, and then we're going to do the other. Both sides. Alright, so we'll go back to page 1, and I have already cut out on the cricket. It says grow and glue, so we'll just peel that off. So I've got all my letters here. Photo places. So that's where my photos have got. From the stamp, I'm actually going to use this here, and I'm going to stamp it along there and along there. And I've also pre-stamped out the lady. So we're going to colour her in, and I've also pre-stamped out some butterflies which I'll colour in as well, and I'll be using tri-blend markers for those. We'll bring in the other one. I'll stick the title on in a minute. Because I dropped the stamp pad on it. I'll just replace it with another piece. There we go. See? All fixed. Okay. Let's glue down our title here. We're going to use liquid glass again to glue this down. Okay, so we've got our title on now. Now also, if you do hear my children in the background, they are on school holidays. I've asked them to be quiet, but you know, they're children. So let's continue on. So what we're going to do is colour in the flowers there on both these pages. That's how our layouts look so far. We've got those. Alright, so now we're going to colour in the lady. Okay, so that's my lady. Now I'm going to fussy cut her out. That I'll have to do. It's not the best fussy cutting, but I'm still recovering from my eye surgery, so that'll have to do for today. Alright, now we might colour in our butterfly. Let's bring in this page, and we'll pop her on there like that. Okay, so we've got her on there now, so let's that's what it's looking like. I'm thinking I might add some of these little butterflies here, stamp some along there. And we've got our couple of butterflies. So we've got our journaling strips. These are, how big are they? 3.5 inch by 1/4 inch. And we'll also stick some more butterflies around here too. That's page 1, and that's page 2. I might grab some other embellishments to add on there. That is our other page. And I think we're done. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already done so, it'd be great if you could hit that subscribe button. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down below. Alright, well, have a great day. And don't forget to add a little sparkle to your day. Bye.